Hi Spuddies, Mandy here again with another recipe. Today we have my favourite breakfast. So this is Vietnamese inspired pho. It's a breakfast soup, a noodle soup. Every day this is what I have for breakfast. It doesn't ever look that fancy. My friend Paula, who is an amazing food stylist, a New Green Leaf official is her, what do you call that? It's got a name, handle on Insta. Look her up and she's credited in the book. Anyway, we're very old friends and she's so good, and that's why I asked her to do this. But mine is tasty and delicious, very, very simple. It hasn't got all of the stuff that makes it unhealthy, so there's no animal fats or any other added oils or anything like that, obviously. If you're a savoury breakfast person, this is for you. It's so nice and warming. We're coming into winter here in Melbourne, and I think that's why I'm in a soupy mood. I realised the last video I did also was soup. Next time I'll do something a bit more summery. But this is basically very simple. Pop the noodles in a pot. Well, you'll see. Pop the veggies in, add some flavouring later, and that's it. Enjoy a big warm bowl of clear broth with delicious yumminess that keeps you super nourished and super energetic and feeling good for the day. I think it always sets me up. It's like it always makes it a long time before I'm hungry again when I eat this. I eat a really big bowl, like serving size, a serving bowl. In fact, most of our bowls, we tend to eat the serving size bowls of things. So if ever our food looks small in a bowl, it's because it's a gigantic bowl. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy the video again. If you have any questions or comments, or you would like to add your take, because this again, I'm not a cookie person. That's not a word. I'm not a cookie. I'm not a fancy foodie in the kitchen myself. I like eating food, but I'm not very fancy in the kitchen. This is not meant for that. That's not at all what we're about here. It's just to get nourishing, healthy, filling, tasty food on the table. That's all we're doing here, and I think this does that. I feel it does do that. But if you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear them. We'd also love you to like and subscribe and share and all that sort of stuff, and grab the book. It's on our website, spudfit.com. Everything's written down below. I hope you like it. Let me know, and see you for the next one. Bye.
Ba ba da ba ba.